Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to mute a Google Meet tab. So this will work the same whether you're on a Mac or you're on like a Windows 10 computer, whatever it is, it's going to be the same process throughout. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but it's going to work similarly as well whatever web browser you're using. So right here you can see I'm in a Google Meet by myself. It's going to work the same way as well if you're in it with other people. So let's say for instance you're on another tab, you just want to mute the Google Meet for right now. What you want to do for that is go to the top tab here, as you can see my cursor scrolling over it there. You want to go ahead and right click on that, or the equivalent as well on the Mac, right clicking it on there. Then you want to go ahead and click mute site. That should be there. Click on that mute site and then you won't be able to hear the audio from this tab anymore. If you want to go ahead and unmute it, go ahead over that tab as well, right click on it yet again, then click unmute site, then you'll hear it. So there are some videos on screen for how to do everything you'll want to do on Google Meet. Click on that link to that playlist there if you are interested. Leave a like on the video if it did help. Subscribe for more videos like this. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.